This video explains how to schedule sending reports by email at specified times. You can specify what is included, who should get the report, and how often it will be sent in the reporting menu. Navigate to Schedule Reports and click this button. Choose one of the predefined reports you want to schedule from the drop-down menu. You can find a detailed description and content of each report if you navigate to Reporting, Predefined Reports, and then select one of the categories. Set the start date and time, and specify the frequency of email sending in days, which refers to the interval at which the report will be sent. You can set up a report to run daily, weekly, monthly, and so on. Enter the email subject and an email body. Lastly, write one or more email addresses. Note that subscribers need not be registered application users and may preview receive reports without logging into the application. Click Save to confirm. Emails will be sent only if the status is enabled. At any moment, you can turn off scheduled reports by disabling them. Moreover, you can always edit the settings of scheduled reports, for example, update them with additional email addresses. To delete, click on this bin icon. Scheduled reports are static, which means they do not change even if the underlying data changes.